Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting a ton of questions from friends who have noticed my hair looking thicker and healthier lately. I've been doing the gelatin trick for a few months now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer. My hair feels stronger, and I've even noticed a few baby hairs sprouting up around my hairline. When you think about it, it makes sense that the gelatin trick would be good for hair growth, since it's all about nourishing your body from the inside out. People often overlook the fact that gelatin is rich in protein, which is essential for hair health. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're giving your hair the building blocks it needs to grow thick and strong. I've been adding gelatin to my morning smoothie, and I've noticed that my hair doesn't shed as much as it used to. The gelatin trick is all about simplicity, and that's what I love about it. Just mix some gelatin with water, and you're good to go. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for a simple recipe, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some tips from others who are already using the gelatin trick to boost their hair growth. Give the gelatin trick a try and see the difference for yourself. I think you'll be surprised at just how much of an impact it can have on your hair's thickness and overall health.